Okay, so we've just got to the Audi dealership. We've picked up the car we're going to have a play with for the next couple of hours. I think you might be able to spot from our interior surroundings, this is not your average or standard Audi. We are in the brand new Audi RS5 Coupe, and it's a beast. And it's not your average. Well, there's no such thing as an average RS5 Coupe, but this is a little bit special than normal. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull up. There's a ton of options on this car which aren't standard, but luckily I have the spec sheet as always, so I can.
They don't call you Specky Dave for nothing, do they?
When did they call me Specky Dave?
In the comments.
Oh, do you? We'll have a look around the car. I'll go through what's been added to this car. There's quite a few things, some really cool bits of spec as well. And then we'll have a look, see what we think of it. I know what I think of it, I love it. But, yeah. Let us know what you think of it as well. So, start with the paint work. This is Audi Exclusive Paint, and Riviera Blue is the name of this one. So, it's the Porsche colour. Audi Exclusive. There's basically a couple of different options you can have with that if you're not sure. One is you can pick any of the Audi range colour. So if it's not, you can have like an A3 1 litre SE in Audi Exclusive Paint in any of the paint ranges from Audi if you want, or you can basically choose pretty much any colour you want to have the car in, and they've gone for the Riviera Blue, like the Porsche Blue. What works so well with this colour, I think, because it's got the black styling pack on it and something special with the wheels, which we'll show you in a sec, just the contrast all around, this car looks absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the nicest cars we've driven, I would say.
Yeah.
Let's come around and have a look at the wheels. So this car's had the wheels upgraded, but then that wasn't quite enough. So not only have they upgraded it from the standard wheels at the factory, they've also painted them here in the body shop in this black paint. And this is what I was saying about working with the black styling pack. So you now got the black wheels as well, with the blue, and then the red brake calipers as well. That looks amazing. As I said before, I have a spec sheet.
Specky Dave.
No one says that.
No one says that.
There is loads and loads of things here. There's quite a few options on this car. What we'll do as well, we'll put the Audi config code in the description, so if you really want to, you can go into the Audi website, put in that config code and look at the spec in a bit more detail, if you're down with that sort of thing. But also want you to just have a little guess on what you think this car costs, and then I'll tell you in a few minutes. So just drop a comment below and then you can see if you got it right or wrong. So I'll go through a couple of things which have been added to this car. So it's got the black styling pack on, as I said earlier. So it's got basically lots of black detailing all around it. Door sills, these bits here, the radiator grille, number plates around, all in a black style finish. And like I said, against that blue, red of the brake calipers, just looks unreal. So the black styling pack is 550 quid. Is what it is. This is kind of a bit of a crazy option. It's got carbon inlays. So basically the interior trim around the doors, all around the gear stick, and then on the front of the car is all in a carbon finish. 950 quid. It's a lot of money, but it does look something. It makes you're taking your expensive, amazing car, I think, to just another level. So we've also got the comfort and sound pack, which gives you a rear view camera, Bang & Olufsen sound system, which sounds amazing, and then the advanced key. It basically approaches the car, it lets you in. Also, if you're doing your daily shop fill, which I know you do daily. And your hands are full.
As always.
How do you get in the boot normally to put your groceries away?
It's a nightmare.
How do you do it?
I can't.
You struggle, don't you, Phil?
I do struggle.
Struggle no more. Oh, has it got to be locked? Oh, it will work. I've got it working before. You wave your foot.
It's not going to do it. There's gotta be a point where we say.
Should we just cut that bit out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking shit, isn't it? What's also really cool with this car, it's got a pan roof on it. And I've mentioned it a few times, but it just all works so well. Quite expensive, the pan roof, $12.50. Red brake calipers, like I mentioned. Come in.
And they're the small ones. They're the back ones.
Yeah. 400 quid for the red brake calipers. So we'll head on inside the car now, and then look through the features on the car inside, and then reveal how much this beast costs. So this is all the carbon we were talking about before. So 950 of your English pounds, but I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
I think it just sets it off from any other RS.
Yep.
The seats are absolutely amazing. These are standard. These are completely bog standard.
Super sporty.
Super sport seats, yeah. This car's also got memory seats as well. So basically you can set the car how you want it, the seat wise, the bolsters, the position, all that, set it up, save it, and basically you've got two different settings. You can set yours one that way, and then your wife could have hers set up so when she just jumps in and she just switches it to how she likes to sit in the car. You can't forget the steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel, completely standard, feels amazing,
yeah,
looks amazing. It's just a comfy, nice steering wheel to have. I don't know what the fuck that means. The only thing I'd say about the steering wheel is, and being in some like we're in a RS3 a few weeks ago, link up there if you want to see that video, is a steering wheel with that Alcantara. That's like the ultimate steering wheel.
Yeah.
As everyone knows, tech in cars is just like going a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
As with everything really, but this is pretty special really. How you got basically Google Earth as your nav. Have a look at that.
That's cool.
It wasn't long ago that like sat nav systems were these mega expensive, crazy things you stick on your windscreen, and now you've got Google Earth there.
Behind your steering wheel. That's the future now.
Amazing. So earlier on in the video I asked you if you could guess the value of this car, how much this retails for. It is a bit crazy.
Yeah.
£76,420 on the road. It's a lot of money, but this car is unreal.
It's a one-off, isn't it?
It's a one-off. It's such a nice car to drive. It's quick. It is super quick, but it's just a nice car just to drive normally.
Yeah.
You know, if you just to the shops, to work, whatever you're doing, it does it with ease, and you've got that power there as well. So it just ticks so many boxes.
Yeah.
And like you were saying earlier, you got the RS4 out now as well, so you know obviously this is a little bit restrictive in the fact that it is a coupe, and it's only a 4-seater. You know, so if you want this type of vehicle and you need the boot, you've got that as well, potentially coming from Audi. So
and maybe the RS5 Sportback.
Yeah,
I reckon.
Good shout. I've got to say I love this car.
Yeah.
And it's going to be quite difficult to give it back.
Yeah.
Do we have to, do you think? I could leave it with the GTE as a swap.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to keep your job
and not go to prison.
Yeah, not go to prison. Prison sounds pretty bad.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is one of our first videos you've seen, don't forget you can subscribe and see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon.